If you tuned into Circle Day this year, you will have seen so many new features being dropped. The main thing is design tools. And one thing that they've launched already, so not everything is launched just yet, but one really cool thing is layers. And with layers, if you click on the icon, you'll be able to see all of the different elements within a section. But the coolest thing about this is now finally you can hide elements on desktop versus mobile. And I'm going to show you in this video how to use it and how to eliminate the use of code to do this finally. On the site here, you're going to go to the page that you want to change or that hide your elements on. So I'll just use home as the example. Click edit. And then what you'll see when you hover over a section is this icon here. You can see it's now layers. And you'll notice when you hover, it will say layers L. That just means if you click L, you'll see the layers panel. Much like if you click G, you'll see the grid. So we'll hit L and now we can see our layers. I'll bring it into the middle so you can see it a bit easier. When you hover over a layer, you'll see it highlights the layer that it corresponds to. So if I head into mobile and I go layers, I want to hide, let's say hair removal, for instance. I don't like how it looks on mobile. Well, I go to hair removal and I just click the eye icon like this. Then I go to desktop and you can see it's still there. So when you're happy, you just hit save. And if I look at this, hair is there. So our text block is there, but it's not here on mobile. Let's try this on a different section. So for instance, let's say for whatever reason, I hate how this image looks on mobile. It's quite nice, to be fair, but let's go in here and you'll see image block, text block, button block. Boom, I get rid of this. And what I can then do is move this up, drop the section a little bit, and there we go. Let's say I want to go down here. Layer, you find the image because there's two images here. So what we need to do is we need to make sure we're hovering over the correct one. Let's say I don't like how this one looks. I think it looks a bit lost. So click the layer. We're going to hide that. We're going to move these up here. And then you can drag this image across like so. And you can restyle the section. I'm going to sit that nice and tight down here. If we go to desktop, it should all still be in situ, which it is. So finally, this is an option. And it's going to change the game for your mobile layouts on Squarespace. I hope that you found this useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.